just got the tunes on and I'm setting you guys up for a quick video. Be back in 2 seconds. Right guys, just a quick video, just to basically, for a few reasons. What am I doing? I'm just working on Reggie. So getting his engine ready, doing as much as I can to try and get it ready to start. Hopefully that'll be soon, that'll be running. I've got a couple of electrical issues with Charlie. It occasionally doesn't start, it's a battery issue, so I'm sorting that. Doing a little bit of maintenance. I need to wash Ronnie. Unfortunately, my pressure washer died on me, so I've had to throw that in the skip. So I need to go and buy a new pressure washer. As you all know, they are not cheap, so that's gonna have to wait. So I'm gonna have to go and use the pay one, the one you pay for. We've got, just out of shot, can you see it? There it is. We've got products that have come in to be reviewed. I'll tell you what we have had. I have had a parcel. I love this sort of stuff. You guys sending me stuff. So I've had a parcel sent to me from the Technic Wreckers. So let's have a little look at what they've built for me. I need a knife. That's not a knife, that's a screw. So I think this could be quite delicate. So we need to be a bit careful with it. Ah, look at this little bad boy. Look at this. Oh, how cool is that? Oh, that is awesome. We've got our very own little wrecker look. Yeah, thank you very much for that. I'm gonna have a little bit of a play around with that later. I do want to say a massive thank you to the person who wants to remain anonymous. You know who you are. Who has got me a load of shelves. So we've got shelving coming, so I can put all my stuff on and get a bit of a detailing bay going on in here so that I can polish up the Cavalier and stuff like that. Thank you so much. I can't do this. I'm doing this on the shoestring. This is a champagne lifestyle to me on a Prosecco budget. And I can't do it without your help. So genuinely thank you. To all of you that have subscribed on the Fighting Talk thing, it blows my mind. Every single time somebody joins, it absolutely blows my mind. So thank you. I've partnered up with a company called the C-Bomb, class name, but they are now doing all my merch, okay? So if you do want, if you want a mug, I think there's some hoodies still available, like from the last stock of hoodies. But if you want mugs and stuff like that, and they've also got some other cool stuff on the website, check it out. Link is in the description and I'll probably put it on the thing as well. But if you want any of my merch, it's great to have your support. And if you send me a picture with you with some merch, like a mug or a t-shirt or whatever, you will get featured on this channel, I promise you. Come on, you want to come and see Reggie, don't you? Oh, there's Charlie. Yeah, we've got Reggie on the wheel skate so that I could move it out a little bit. I'm just cleaning up all the gasket surfaces, getting ready to fit the rockers, which are here, which you've seen before, but they're going to look good. And then basically I'm giving everything a clean as much as I can. Need to get all this old gasket off and get it all replaced. But yeah, it's coming on. Hopefully this will be ready for the show season this year. Oh God, don't look in there. I've got lots to do. Yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. It's only a very quick one, isn't it? That's what it's all about, though. Keeping you updated. I know you like to watch, so not in a weird way. The unit's going to start coming on soon with the help of people that are kindly donating me some stuff, which is just incredible. The trucks have been quite quiet, if I'm totally honest, the last week or so. We've not really had a lot of work. I've only had a couple of jobs. But in the recovery game, it could literally change like that. That's just how it works. So we'll stay optimistic. It'll happen. Work will come in, won't it? And I'll be picking people off the A1 in no time. And then I'll be super busy and you'll be like, where's all my videos? Hope you're well, stay safe, have an amazing week, whatever you get up to. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye.